10 website tweaks you should make if you want more traffic. If you want to bring more traffic to your website, then you need to think about the way you're handling traffic that is already there. This might seem counterintuitive, but it makes perfect sense when you think about it. Not only does this approach mean that the traffic you bring in will be more likely to want to come back, but it also means that Google will promote your site more to other visitors. That means you need to think about the design of your website. In this presentation, we're going to look at 10 tweaks you can make that will bring you more traffic over time. Compress large images. Large images can be a great addition to your website, but if they're causing it to load slowly, then you need to have a rethink. This can hurt your page load times badly, which will not only turn away visitors, but also anger Google. Have a strong brand and great logo. Branding is everything when it comes to online success. If you don't believe me, think of all the sites that you visit on a regular basis and how they handle their branding. A great logo will encourage people to look for your content again. A strong brand shows Google you're serious about your business and not just a spam artist. Have a mobile-friendly interface. Mobile friendliness is not just aesthetic, it means your interface should be finger-friendly. Get to the point. No jargon. If your homepage is full of jargon that only mystifies your audience about what you do, then you need a drastic rethink. Fix broken links and pages. This looks unprofessional and it hurts your SEO. Link internally. Linking to pages within your site helps Google to index, and it also keeps people reading your stuff longer. This sends very strong metrics. Link out. Linking out to other relevant sites is a great way to provide more value to your readers and to create an association with high-quality content. Use strong imagery. Strong images can make a big impact on a visitor's first impression. It's very much worth spending a little money to access high-quality stock images, as it will make your posts far more emotionally resonant while also looking much more professional. Add social sharing buttons. Social sharing buttons provide a way for your visitors to share content they enjoy with their social network, even if they didn't stumble on it through your Facebook page or Twitter account. While you're at it, add links to all of your social media on your site. That way your site will boost your social media and vice versa. Try to get into the rich snippets. Use schema markups in order to help Google spiders identify what content on your pages is about. This will hopefully result in rich snippets. Listings in the URL that also include a picture and some description of what your page is offering.
Hey, this is Chad Noah. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.